Hello friends, welcome to my channel Backend Bytes by Pratik. In this video, we will discuss more about Oracle SQL. So in this video, we will discuss some important subcommands that are belongs to DDL command. So DDL stands for Data Definition Language. So create command it is a subcommand belongs to DDL command. So create command is used to create a Oracle database object like table, view, and indexes and etc. So what are the view, what are the index that are discussed in later session. But in this session, we will discuss how to create a table by using create command. So these are the syntax. Syntax means the writing style, the structure. So create the writing style for the create command is create table, then table name, then table name means here table name means custom table. Dot custom table name. Custom table name means user defined. Means this is not a predefined. This is a user defined table name. Means you can take on own uh, on your own. Means if you wants to take a table name like student, like employee, and take a table name like your name. This is also possible. Then inside the table name, we can write the column. What are the attributes? What are the columns? In the table, data can be stored in the form of column and row. So we can take the column name. And for the column name, what are the data type for this column name we can take. Then second data column name, second data type that are mentioned. So here in the square bracket that are optional, but in the angular bracket that are mandatory. So these are the important commands to write the create command. Then it is the right here we can write it in the paintbrush, but actually how it works, how it execute that are to define. For that we can use the SQL plus. So go to the SQL plus, then we execute this command SQL plus. So run SQL command line. So first of all we'll connect. So connecting the database, we can write connect command. Then enter your username. So for my device username is system, then password 1234. In successfully connected. So in your system you can set any name, password and any username. Then we create a table. So for creating a table we write command that is create create table, table name. So table name we can take employee. Then we can open bracket. Then we can write EID, EI as a employee ID, that is number within bracket 4. Here 4 means size of the digit, means 4 digits. So we can take employee number as a 4 digit, up to 4 digit, means 1 to 9,999. If we take more than that, it does not works because it is exceeds the size limit. Then we can take employee name, e name as a employee name. For the employee name we can take varchar2. Varchar2 take for both string data type and number data type. So that can take 10, means the string length should be 10. If we take more than 10, it does not works. It is gives us exceed the style limit. Then take salary. Salary. So for that salary, we can take a data type like number. So number we can take 8 comma 2. Here 8 means precision, 2 means scale. Means if we salary is 1 lakh, so 1 lakh dot 00 is the precision and 2 is the scale. Then we can close the bracket, then semicolon, then hit enter. Create table employee. Table name and name is already used in the existing object, so it's showing that the table is already exist. So we can create the another table, like create table, we can take college, then can open the bracket, then like student ID, take number 4, then take name, student name, taken student name as a bracket 2, like length 10, then take as a mark, student mark takes like 100 marks. So we can take number 5 comma 2, 5 for the precision and 2 for the scale, means 100.00. So p for 5 and 2 scale for 2, then close the bracket, then semicolon, then hit enter. So table is created. So table is created, but we don't insert any data. For the inserting data, we use this syntax, that is insert command. So how to inserting the data? Insert data, insert subcommand. It is a subcommand belongs to DDL, not DDL command. It is belongs to a DML command, data manipulation language. So how to inserting data? Insert into table name, then column list, then what type of column should taken, then value, what are the value should and insert it that are given into that values. So these are the parent process, but how to execute? Go to the SQL plus, then write this command and execute this. So we can write insert into college, then values, then we can take SID, student ID. I can take 123 student ID. Then we can take student name. I can student name like RAM, but we can take in a single column because it is string value. Then we can take student marks, like we can take 98. Close the bracket, semicolon, hit enter. One row created. So how to see it? For that, seeing the data, so you can create a we use another command, sub command, that are select command. So select command, so it is a part of the data accessing access control language, data retrieval language. In this sub language, in this command, this select sub command belongs. Then we can write syntax. So syntax is select column name, column name, then from table name, then semicolon. So select command is used to access the data or retrieval the data. So it is called as a part of the accessing language or retrieval language. So for the select command, the syntax is select column name from the table. From a table, we can take some specific column, so that we can take column name. If we want to show the total table data, so we can write the command like select star from table name. It is used for whole the table. It is used for using for whole the table. It is another. This is the another table format. So how it execute to showing? We go to the SQL plus. So select start from college. So here successfully showing that student ID 123, student name Ram, student taken should take mark 98, should scored mark 98. But here we also another command that are used to showing the structure of the database. Structure of the table means in the which order data can be stored. For that we use another command, that is DESC table, DESC table name. So how this command is executed? For that showing, go to the SQL plus. So write DESC table name college. So here successfully showing the table structure, means data can be stored in which format, like name, SID, SNAME, SMarks, null, and the types of data. Types of null means your data here another format that are not available, but type. For the type we can use the what type of data, means data type, number data type, varchar data type, varchar2 data type, number data type. Here 5 or 2 belongs to precision and scale. So DESC, so we can easily say that DESC table used for DESC DESC command is used to showing the structural format of the table. So in this is enough for today. So in this video we will depth discuss about create command, insert command, and select command, and DESC command. Here we discuss four important commands, and we also practically showing that in the CMD, practically showing that in the SQL plus how execute, how to write query for select command, create command, insert command, and this DESC command. All are used for creating a table, inserting the data into the table, then showing or accessing the data from the table, then also showing the table structure by using DESC command. So that is enough for today. In the later session, we will discuss more depth about another sub important sub commands that are belongs to a commands that are discussed more depth. So This is enough for today. Don't forget to watch this video. Please watch this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.